Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and it's your boy Serrano. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the brand new SoundPEATS Engine4. But if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through. If you're new, but if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So I was pretty excited to test out the SoundPEATS Engine4, and I've been using them for roughly like a day or so, and so the experience that I've been having with these is really good when it comes to the audio quality, because these are going to pack a really impressive driver. They're going to also give you a really wide variety of features to choose from with the app, the EQ modes, the ability to reset. They also do get battery indicator as well as mode switch for gaming and firmware upgrades. And so when it comes to the Engine4's design of the case, I noticed that it had an egg-shaped style design. It had the logo on the back with Type-C input on the bottom and a reset button on the bottom as well. And these were going to offer you app control. Inside the box does come with a Type-C cable as well as additional ear tips. And this makes for a really comfortable feel in the ear because you can customize the overall fit. And these are going to be $59, but with the 10% off, it's going to actually lower the price overall. And so the user manual will explain all the touch controls that you will get, and these are going to offer high-res audio with LDAC support. And so when you lift up the case top, you're going to notice that you're going to get some drum style design with a transparent inner portion where these actually sit in the ear. And so when it comes to the overall design and look, it has a transparent look with a nice grippy texture on the earbud. And so when it comes to the engineering of these earbuds, they're going to offer a 6mm dynamic driver. They're going to have a coaxial structure with a 10mm compound dynamic driver and the Bluetooth 5.3 chipset. Now, essentially, with all these components put together, it's going to feature a really nice style of craftsmanship, hi-fi sound, expanding the overall soundstage, giving you complete control to the overall listening experience. In addition to the listening experience being overall impressive, you're going to get a fast pairing option with these, because it's going to give you a application that you can use to pair the earbuds and personalize the sound with the EQ settings. And so when it comes to the pairing process with these earbuds, the Engine4s are really straightforward to actually pair to your smartphone, because all you have to do is lift the lid of the case and they automatically pair with the Bluetooth 5.3, which will give you a fast connection whenever you're trying to listen to music. And so I definitely think that the listening experience is going to be second to none, because you're going to be able to customize all of these sounds to your personal preference when it comes to the SoundPEATS application with the EQ modes and the additional presets. And so I definitely think that the case is going to pack a lot of power, because when it comes to the battery life, you'll get 43 hours in all. If you listen to these at 60% volume, the earbuds will give you about 8 hours of usage, with 2.5 additional charges by the case, giving you a total of 28 hours of continuous playback. And so one of the things I look for when daily driving a pair of earbuds is the fact that you can get a full touch control with the earbuds. And so I was able to single tap to raise the volume, double tap to pause. On the left side, I was able to triple tap to get to a game mode, triple tap on the right side to get to my Google Assistant, and long press on either side for forward and back. And so ultimately I was in control of the touch controls on these earbuds remotely, but I was also able to tailor my listening experience with the SoundPEATS app customization functionality, which gives you the ability to tailor the earbuds sound settings profile to suit your audio preferences. And that for me was a huge plus, because I am a huge fan of being able to tailor the sound the way I want to hear it, whether that be adding a little bit more bass or less bass, or even giving it a little bit more treble. I was able to do so with the SoundPEATS application. SoundPEATS also gives you game mode, which gives you about 70 milliseconds of low latency in the game mode, so you can react swiftly when it comes to every audio cue, giving you a competitive edge when gaming experiences. And also, if you're watching videos, you can also get very synchronized audio and video when it comes to watching movies. And so it's going to be a very great experience when it comes to those two things. And I definitely think that's going to raise the bar. And when it comes to using the Engine 4s in the gym, I didn't have any issues with that because they were suitable for water resistancy at IPX4, which was perfect for sweating and water resistancy. But listen to this mic sample and let me know what you think in the comments, okay? Hey, what's going on, guys? So this is the microphones on the SoundPEATS Engine4. Let me know how the microphones sound right now. I'm in a bathroom. I'm gonna actually close the door and turn on the fan so you can hear what it sounds like with a little bit of fan noise, okay? So let me know if you can hear any interference when it comes to the fans. All right, so the fans is now on, and these lock-ins sound really good when it comes to the passive noise cancellation. I could hear the fans when I stop talking. I can still hear them a little bit while I'm talking. But let me know if you could hear the my voice over the fan noise in the background. Then I'm gonna turn the fan back off. And let me know what you guys think about the microphones on the SoundPEATS Engine4s, okay? And so when it comes to using these for phone calls, let me know what you guys think about the microphones. But I did think that the mics did capture human voices very well while reducing background noise. And so the calls were going to be crystal clear, even in noisy environments, but they did sound a little bit tinny. So I just kind of wanted to throw that out there. So one of the things I noticed when I was wearing these is that they did have a really nice ergonomic fit. And I do have big ears, so when I'm listening to earbuds, I tend to need a bigger drum to actually fit in my ear. And so I noticed that the ear opening on my ear was able to, you know, complement these when it comes to the overall design and the ergonomic fit when I'm using them for extended periods of time without any feeling of discomfort. And so when it comes to the passive noise cancellation, these definitely blocked out a good amount of noise that I was hearing around me. And so I was able to stay immersed in these earbuds when I was watching movies, doing phone calls, listening to music, or anything of that sort. But do me a solid. If you're still here, just type down below in the comment section. I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help beat the YouTube algorithm. Okay? So if I was to summate the Engine4s, I would say they have a really nice long battery life. They have a comfortable fit. They offer clear calls for when you're doing, you know, conversations on these. They have really good low latency for gaming because it has that built-in game mode. And you get effortless controls because they're going to pack all the controls that you need, as well as tailoring the music. And they also do have that multi-point, so you can use two different devices at one time. But let me know what you guys think about the Engine4s, and I'm going to get right back with you. But make sure you leave a comment down below and show your support and appreciation by hitting the like button. And I just want to remind you to type "I'm still here" in the comment section if you're still here, if you made it to the end of the video, and I'll get right back with you. Okay? Peace.